Hi, it's Patricia with Heavenly Organic Beauty, and today I want to discuss something that usually happens to me, and it probably happens to a few of you too. I suffer from migraines, and I do a few different things to get rid of them. One of the things that I do is I get Botox injected into my forehead, and that usually works. But I do need to do a few other things in order to help alleviate the migraine symptoms. So the Botox usually gets rid of it for the most part, but then sometimes I do have some things where I know that I'm supposed to get the migraine and it just doesn't come on. But one of the things that I do, and it tends to work for me, is I usually sleep without a pillow. And that helps to like relax my neck area so that it doesn't get tensed up. That usually helps to stretch it. And there's another video that I have where I actually do a neck stretch. So if you haven't watched it yet, definitely take a look at that video, and you can definitely do a neck stretch routine in order to help to relax the neck muscle. So anyway, I hope it helps you. I definitely recommend, like, when you know that you're about to get a migraine, just get rid of that pillow, even if it's for a few hours, a day, 2 or 3. Like, my migraines linger on for 3 days. Get rid of that pillow for a few days, and that should definitely help with the migraine, to get rid of it completely, because it'll relax the neck area. Believe it or not, I tend to get muscle tension right before the migraine. And not only in the neck, but I also get the muscle tension around my brows. This area has a circular muscle, and usually I just lift up the brow and roll it, and I can feel neck, muscle tension here. There's little knots that pop. So I usually do that to both of the brows. I roll them, and that will get rid of the muscle tension wherever it is. Usually it's one or the other with the knots. So there's a few things that I do, but anyway, I hope this helps you, and make sure you like the video and subscribe down below. Hit the bell notification button, that way you can see when I post new videos. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.